After my video on how to calibrate the rain gauge, I was asked, well, just how do these tipping bucket rain gauges work anyhow? So on top is the funnel that catches the rain that falls out of the sky. This is 4.4 inches in diameter. That gives you the catchment area. Multiply the catchment area by the amount of rain that's falling, and I use 0.25 as an illustration. That gives you the volume of water that's going to fall down through that opening and onto the tipping bucket that's on the inside of this gauge. And if you take a look on so inside this unit there's this tipping bucket, and counter to that is a weight that's here enclosed in plastic, and this weight is equal to the weight of 0.01 inches of rain that comes out of the catchment basin. So when this fills up with water, this tips over, and when the bucket is empty, it falls back because of the weight here on the other end. And every time this weight tips forward, it goes past the metal bar that is embedded in the plastic back here. And with this weight passing that metal bar, it sends a signal to the instrument that it has now recorded 1/100th of an inch of rain. And as you can see in here, it's causing the water to drip very slowly into the counting cup. You can hear it go click there. And so let's go see how this is looking so far on the console where the information is being collected. And you can see so far we've collected 0.12 inches of rain. So that shows how the tipping bucket works on these tipping bucket rain gauges. The nice thing about it is you don't have to go out and empty it, and because of electronic signal it can send it to the console, and in this case the console will actually send it then to the internet where all my data is recorded on ambientweather.net, and I can take a look at what's been going on here over the last year. One of the things I wanted to point out though is, especially here in the Pacific Northwest, we get growth on all surfaces, and you can see there's just a little bit of moss or mildew on that bucket. And so periodically I will take this thing down, the one that's in use, and clean that out, because it doesn't take very much weight in order to throw off your measurements. You know, if you have the weight of moss and mildew on here, it doesn't take nearly as much water in order to tip it over. So one of the things I do for maintenance is clean that thing and keep it from building up extra weight that would influence my rain volumes.